How to unidentify unknown objects using Google Lens. So hello guys, if you want to identify unknown objects using Google Lens, like you have pick and detail some objects and you don't know what was that object. So how you can know that using Google Lens? So for that you can simply go to Google Lens app. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store. So simply click on Lens app. Once you click on Lens app, here you guys will see open camera. Also in my phone it says screenshot new phone, it will be other folder. So if you have that objects in real life, simply click on open camera and you guys can take picture of that thing. And if you have pic, like for example I have that pic, so I simply click on that. Once I click on that, here you guys can see a lot of objects. So for example, I want to know that object, like I'm selecting that. I will simply select that object area. Like that, I will click on that. Once I click on there, I will simply wait for 1 second. And here we go. The Google Lens was searching for that object. And it gave me all the info about that object. So that's how you guys can do that. Like you guys simply click on that object. And once you guys click on that object, it will select it automatically. Thanks for watching.